Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking to you about this hair while I get ready. I'm going to be curling it and basically telling you where I got it, my thoughts, and all that jazz. If you're curious about how I lay my wigs, that video will be up soon. I did record it yesterday, but I also said in the video that I would show you how long I can get my wigs to last. So it's not going to be up right away. It'll probably be up after this video, but I did use the bald cap method. So if you want to know what that is now, you can go ahead and YouTube bald cap method, and a whole bunch of videos will come up because it's like the newest thing on how to lay your units. So this hair is from Supernova hair on Aliexpress. You guys know pretty much all the hair that I buy is off of Aliexpress. I've done several videos in the past with Supernova hair. None of them are sponsored. All of the hair that I purchase, or all the hair that I show you guys, I have purchased myself. So you guys know that I'm 100% honest about stuff. So this is their 99J burgundy hair. Even though I wouldn't say it's really a true burgundy because it's not very dark. I know in the video it's probably coming off like a brownish red, but in real life it's got multi-dimensional reds in it. So I would say it's more of a cranberry because in some lights, especially artificial light, it can come across as purple. But I feel like it's one of those colors that if you want to experiment with color, this would be the color to do because it's like right on that borderline of like fashion color versus like work appropriate colors, or I should say like corporate America kind of colors. You know what I mean. If you work a 9-to-5 regular job like me, you can't really walk up in there with purple hair. So this is one of those colors where you want to walk the line as far as being different goes. At least that's how I describe it. So I have in my head a 13x4 frontal, and I believe I only have 1.5 bundles of hair in. And you guys know I have, I usually make my units very natural looking because in my everyday life I don't like a lot of hair on my head. So that's why I kind of make them a more natural density. Of course you can always put in more wefts if you want a very thick wig, but I kind of like the natural look. And the only thing I can say that I don't like about this hair is the color of the frontal. Now you guys know usually I order all of my frontals from Ross Pretty Hair because they offer light brown lace. Well, Supernova does not offer light brown lace unless you want to get blonde hair, which then that's a transparent lace. But this hair came colored already. I did not color this hair. So I thought, just first looking at it, I thought that it probably would be on transparent lace because obviously it was a 613 before they colored it. But no, this lace is medium brown. So I did have to finesse my hairline to match my skin tone. And I just did that using a whole bunch of powder along my hairline that's in my skin tone shade. So I wish Supernova would come out with light brown lace options because there are people that are my complexion that like to wear wigs, and medium brown lace just stands out like a sore thumb on my skin tone. But I like Supernova hair, so that's why I bought it. So besides that, I don't have any problems with the frontal. Like I said, I just had to finesse it a little bit, but as far as the color between the frontal and the bundles go, it all matches. This does not have any dark roots. This is the cranberry color from the weft to the tip, and I love it. The hair has a nice luster, a nice natural luster. It's not too shiny like Barbie hair, but it's not dull either. So like I said, I don't have any other product in this hair except for the Tresemme Heat Tamer. I've only had this hair for about a week, but so far I really like it. One con is that it does tangle in the nape area. I don't let it get to the point where it mats. Obviously, this is a wig, it's not sewn in, but I do have it glued down, and my glue downs usually last about a week and a half. So I do have to brush out the nape area every night because it does get tangled. Now, if you wear your hair in a ponytail every day, that probably won't happen, but I usually wear my hair down because this is a lace front unit. I do not have any kind of lace in the back, so if I pull my hair up, you can see the wig cap, or not the wig cap, the dome cap that the hair is sewn onto. So I usually wear my hair down, and if I do wear it in a ponytail, it's in a low ponytail. They do not offer, I don't think they offer this shade of hair in a 360 unit. You can check down below. Like I said, the link to Supernova hair will be in the description box. This is a Brazilian origin. I forgot to mention that. I purchased this hair during the 11/11 sale, so I'm going to tell you the price that it was when I purchased it. So for the 99J Burgundy Brazilian Body Wave hair, 3 bundles with a 13x4 frontal was in the, oh, and I have the inches 12, 12, 12, and then a 10-inch closure, or, 10-inch frontal. The total was $94.21. And then, of course, I had coupons on top of the Black Friday sale, or not the Black Friday sale, the 11/11 sale. So I only paid $81.55. I'm sure the price is different now. It's probably back at regular price now that Black Friday is over. But Aliexpress is always having some kind of sale. They're probably going to be having a New Year sale soon too. So if you don't have the money right now to purchase this hair, because I think right now, let me check how much it is right now. Right now, it's $115 for the same inches that I have in right now. So if for some reason you can't afford that, all you have to do is wait for Aliexpress to have another sale. They have, usually toward the end of the year with all the holidays and stuff, they have a lot of sales going on. So all you got to do is hold out, save your money, and this hair will go on sale. And make sure you get your Aliexpress coupons too, because those stack on top of the coupons that the store already has. So yeah. So this is the finished look. So what I like to do is just run my fingers through the curls so they don't look so defined. And then I take this texturizing spray that I got from the Willows Salon Day Spa on Gratiot Rd in Saginaw. And I just lift the hair, and it gives a whole lot of body, as you can see. So lift the hair on this side. Run my hands through a little bit, and yeah. And then I just do a little bit in the back as well. Not too much. And this is the final look. And I'll turn around so you can see the back. Okay guys, this is the very end of the video. I've already come back from work and all that jazz, so that's why I look a little rough. But I wanted to see if I could find the bundle that I didn't use for this wig that, I made with Supernova hair, and I found it. So I want to show you. So this is the package that it came in. Clear package. It's got the length right here on the package. I don't know if you can see it. It says 12 inches, and then it says Supernova. This is not a reusable bag. It's only one that has a little bit of stickiness on the bottom. I usually throw these out. So this is what the bundle looks like, and like I told you before, I had 3 bundles of 12 inches and then a 10-inch frontal. So this is how thick the 12-inch bundle is. If my camera will focus on the bundle. Focus on the bundle, camera. There it goes. That's how thick it is. It's pretty thick. Like I said, I only have a bundle and a half in my head right now, so I can tell you, like I said earlier, this hair is phenomenal, but I can tell you that it does have pieces of string in it. At least this bundle does. That's probably why I didn't use this one. It's right there, if you can see. It's like literally clear as day. You see that piece of string right there? So that's probably why I didn't use this bundle right here. But overall, Supernova hair is good. I mean, I'm not saying it's not good because of one piece of string, but if you're one of those people that care about that, like, there it is, one piece of string. But I do like the branding. You can't forget that this is from Supernova hair because it's literally written everywhere, the tag, and then on the bundle right here. Now, I do prefer the bundles that I buy to not be in this circular shape, because when you unravel them, sometimes the ends will tangle, especially if you have textured hair. But this hair you can literally run your hands through. There's no shedding. It's got that nice S shape to it. It doesn't have a smell, even though I wouldn't think it would at this point. I mean, it's been unpackaged for a couple weeks. It does have a lot of flyaways. I think I mentioned that in the first part of the video. Maybe I didn't, but it does have a lot of flyaways. Nothing too crazy. I don't want to unravel it to show you the bearding, but you can kind of see right here that there's not really any bearding around the weft. And like I said, it does have flyaways, but they're not anything crazy. It's pretty thick from root to tip, as you can see. And the color is consistent with the frontal. Like, they weren't different kinds of burgundy. They were all the same burgundy. So I loved that. And this is just the extra track that I had left over from the second bundle that I used. And as you can see, it's a lot of hair still. It's still a lot of hair. So I'm probably going to order maybe a frontal. See if I can find a light brown frontal in 99J from a different hair company and then make another wig. So yeah. Anyway, guys, this is officially the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And as usual, all of the links to Supernova hair and the direct link to the hair that I'm rocking right now will be down in the description box. All right, guys, see you in the next one.